Hey G-Spot, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is an ergonomic chair. If you can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like, and from this brand right here. So the way how to design this chair is the fact that it is a mesh material, so it definitely will give you guys that comfort and support, and also give you guys the option to kind of save space as well, which I'll show you guys what I mean in a second once we fully assemble it. So I'm actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. But when we open it up, you can see that this is what the packaging looks like. Let me take out this part right here. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside right there. You can see there's a bunch of parts inside. Let me take out each part to show you guys what's included, and then we're gonna assemble it. Alright, so just to give you guys a different point of view to show you guys what is included inside right here. This is basically everything that's included in the package. So the bottom of the frame right here, the backrest right here with the armrest right here, and then that is the seat. Here's the headrest. Here is the engine or the gas lift to actually pull it up and down. Right here we have all the screws, and they provide you guys the wrenches as well. And then right here are the other screws, and inside right here is the manual that I just showed you guys earlier. And then right here is the gas lift and the wheels, and that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. So let me actually assemble all of them to show you guys how to assemble it and show you guys what the final product looks like. So first thing I want to do is to get the star base, which is this thing right here. And you guys want to put the caster right in the bottom right here. If you guys don't know how to actually assemble it, you guys can always refer to the instruction manual here as well. Alright, so once you guys take off the wrapper on the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. But let's open up this box right here with the casters, and we'll install the wheels on the bottom. Alright, so right here we have the gas lift, and right here with the caster. So you want to install the caster on the bottom of the start base first. So you should get a total of 5 of these. And all you guys need to do is just insert it into each one of these start base options right here. Make sure it locks in. Alright, so once you guys put on all 5 of them, this is basically what it looks like. So one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, which is a total of 5. Once you guys finish this, you guys want to flip it around the other side and put it down like this. And you guys will work on the next part after this. So basically what you guys want to do after this part here is to put the gas lift on top right here. And you also want to put this option right here that I showed you guys earlier, inside right here. Make sure I don't mean. So this is basically what this part looks like. You want to insert it through here. So just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys do that, then you guys actually insert this into the part right here. So just like this. Not sure if you can see or not. Push it all the way. So if you guys take a look right here, this is basically what it looks like once you guys finish this part right here. So now you can start working on the other part. So for this part right here, we want to get this out with the seat and install the thing underneath it. So you want to open up this part first. Alright, so once you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the material looks like, or what the seat looks like. So it definitely has a very strong mesh material here that feels really nice, and you definitely feel that comfort and support on here. And this will on the other side right here. So they have all these slides right here. They just want to install the screw on here, and they tell you guys which side is front. So this side is back, and this side is front right here. So what you guys want to do right now is put it down on the ground, and then install the part right here. And if you guys have a sturdy floor, I do recommend you guys put it on top of this part right here to keep it clean. So what I'm going to install right here is to get this part right here to install on top. I definitely love the fact of how everything is all nicely wrapped, so that way it's all protected, so that way nothing can get damaged during delivery. Alright, so I moved it into a different point of view to give you guys a better perspective of how to actually assemble it. So hopefully this helps. So what you guys want to do now is to insert this on right here. And you guys want to make sure it aligns right here. For this part, this part, this part, and this part. And then you guys want to put the screws on top right here. And if you guys look at the instruction manual right here, they tell you guys to use the shorter screws for these. So the shorter screw is this one right here, and this is the long one right here. So let me just open this up and then put it on. And you definitely want to get the wrench out here to actually screw it on. So you guys either use this one or this one. I believe the bigger one is for this one here, and this one is for this one, which is the shorter one. So this is basically what it looks like right here. So you want to use this to screw it on, just like this. Alright, so this one works. You don't want to make it too tight yet because you guys want to make sure the other ones are fit in correctly first. Alright, that should be good for now. Let's take out the other ones first. Alright, so that is good as well. So now you guys finish this part and we can move to the next step. So for the next step, what we're going to do is install the backrest right here onto the seat. Obviously, when you guys are using a razor, you guys want to be careful. Try not to hurt yourself and don't break anything inside. So you can see even from this packet right here, it's all nicely wrapped really nicely, both on outside and also inside as well. Like they have this protection layer here, and also an armrest as well. So let's take it out first. Alright, so right here we have the product. So let me actually take off the protection layer for both the armrest and here first. Alright, so one last part right here. And this is basically what the back part looks like right here. Once we take it out, if we flip it the other way, this is the front side right here. So what you guys want to do is to make sure this part here attach onto here. And you guys just want to put the long screw in right here. And then you guys are all set. So let's do that first. So you want to flip it this side. And get your long screw ready first. Alright, so there's 4 of these right here, or 5 of these. So I guess they give you guys an extra one just in case, if you guys ever lose it, or you guys break it. But all you guys need is 4 of them right here. So you just want to go like this and slide it in. Make sure it fits correctly. Once you guys have it fit correctly, then you guys can put the screw on. So if it's too hard for you guys, then you probably want to get some help. Ask someone for some help to help you. So you just want to tighten up all of them. And I definitely love the way how they design the wrench to give you guys a very nice grip. Makes it a lot easier for you guys to kind of like screw it on and make it tight, which is pretty cool. Alright, so we're done with that part as well. So once you guys finish this part right here, you want to take off this part right here. And then you want to attach it onto the star base, which is what we set up earlier. So let me actually bring that over and show you guys how to do that. So push this to one side. And then right here we have the star base. So this is literally all we need right now, if you can see. So we want to put this on top right here. So I'm actually do that first and show you guys how to do it. Alright, so I want to lift this up and put it on top. Move this over right here. Make sure the hole fits in the bottom part right here. And then push it all the way. And then once you guys finish that part, then you guys are all done with setting up the chair for this part here. Alright, so here's a different point of view of the chair. If you can see, once you guys fully set it up, this is basically what it looks like right here. But you are missing one more thing, which is the headrest. So I'm actually installed that as well. And if you guys are curious about how to install it, they do provide you guys the instruction in the instruction manual, but they also provide you guys the instruction here as well. You can see right here. So let's open up first and show you guys how to do it. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So the cool thing about this chair or the headrest that they have right here is the fact that it's adjustable. So if you guys want to bring it up or bring it down, you definitely can. So you can bring it up like that, or you bring it back down. And if you guys want to adjust the angle on here, you definitely can as well, which I'll show you guys how to do that in a second after we fully install this. So the way how you guys adjust this is by putting this part right here, the little clamp area, on the back of the actual seat right here. But before you guys do that, you need to use the screw or the wrench that they provide for you guys right here to loosen up this. So there's a screw in each one of these right here. They just want to do that first. So we're going to loosen it up. Alright, so that's pretty good. So now you can adjust this part right here to make it higher or lower. You can see right there. So what you guys want to do now is clamp it on. Alright, so you just want to open up this part right here and clamp it in. Alright, so once you guys clamp it in, you guys want to push it down as far as you guys can, and you guys also adjust it to move to the left or right as well. So I like it right here. So what you guys want to do now is to screw it back on to make it tighter. Alright, so that's good. Let me do the same thing for other one as well. Alright, that is good as well. So now you guys are done with both of them right there. So I guess the 2 screws that they provide for you guys earlier right here that I showed you guys, you don't really need these, but these are backup if you do need to replace the one that's right here, because the 2 screws that are underneath right here are the same thing that's right here. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys fully assemble the headrest. If you guys want to adjust the headrest, you guys want to push the 2 buttons right here, and then you guys actually adjust the headrest right here. So I go like this. You guys can see that moves up and down. So I push the 2 buttons right here. You guys can see that it goes all the way up like this far. I want to bring it all the way down. That's the lowest you can go right there. Let me show you guys how to use all the different features on here. So first thing, obviously you guys want to sit down. So once you guys sit down, this is basically what it looks like. When we turn on the side, this is basically what it looks like on this side. I can definitely use the lever right here to bring it up or bring it down. So right now it's all the way up. So if I push this lever right here, it goes down. If I get up and then push it down, that's how high I can go. I also have the option right here on the side to pull down my armrest if I want to. Like that. Same thing for the other side as well. Just like that. And it's definitely at a good level to give you guys that support, the 90-degree angle that you want to use and have when you guys are doing work. And also you guys have the option to pull up and down as well. So if you guys want to bring it all the way up, all the way down, you definitely have the option as well. So when I lay back and do my work, I can definitely get that support on my neck right here and also my back as well. And you definitely get that support on the bottom where you're sitting down as well, which is pretty awesome. So you definitely get that overall ergonomic feeling, that support and comfort when you guys get this chair, which is pretty awesome. And it is space saving as well, because for both armrests, when you guys are done using it, you can just pull it back up like this and just slide it into your desk, or you can slide it wherever you guys want to as well. Same thing for the other side, you're gonna pull it back up, then it's all set. And another thing that's really cool about this chair as well, if you guys can see on the side right here, there's actually a button on this side and there's a button on the other side as well. So I push this button, you can see what it actually does. So that basically brings up the armrest right here, so actually give you guys a better level to give you guys the support on your arm. Same thing for the other side as well. If I push the button, bring it up, it locks in right there. If I want to bring it down, just push the button again, push it back down. So it's definitely another cool feature that's on this chair as well. You guys can see everything looks amazing and it feels amazing. You guys probably can't feel it until you guys get one of these, but I definitely have to say that it is a pretty awesome product. But now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this chair in particular, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like an ergonomic kind of chair that has that support and also that comfort. That will definitely give you guys that back support that you need. Especially if you guys are sitting all day on your computer, doing work. If you guys are playing games or whatever. As long as you guys are on a computer for a long period of time, then these are pretty awesome. And I definitely love that space saving design I mentioned earlier, where you guys can pull this armrest down or pull it up, and you guys can adjust the headrest as well. Like, there's just so many features on this chair that makes it so much more worth it than a lot of other office chairs or gaming chairs out there today. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.